Welcome to our channel, Learn with Manzi. My name is Armando, and today's story is titled, The Doctor's Deceit. Hope you enjoy and learn from it. Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, there lived an old woman who had lost her eyesight. Her days were filled with darkness, and she longed to see the world again. In her search for help, she called a well-known doctor named Dr. Daly. The old woman made a promise to Dr. Daly. She said, "If you can help me see again, I will pay you a large sum of money. But if you don't succeed, you will get nothing." Dr. Daly agreed to this deal, but he had a different plan in mind. Instead of focusing on curing her, Dr. Daly began to take advantage of the situation. Each day, while pretending to help, he would steal one of her possessions. He took her chair, her lamp, and even her precious jewelry. The old woman, unable to see, had no idea what was happening. After taking almost everything from her home, Dr. Daly finally cured the old woman's eyesight. When she opened her eyes, she was overjoyed to see again. But her joy quickly turned to shock and sadness when she saw how empty her house had become. Dr. Daly then demanded his payment, but the old woman refused to pay him. She said, "I can see now, but my home is empty. I cannot see my furniture or my belongings. How can I pay you when I have lost so much?" Feeling cheated, Dr. Daly took the matter to court. In front of the judge, the old woman explained her situation. She told the court that although her eyesight was restored, her home was left bare because of the doctor's theft. The judge quickly understood what had happened. He saw that Dr. Daly had been dishonest and had used his position to steal from the old woman. The judge decided to punish Dr. Daly for his actions. The village learned an important lesson from this story. The old woman's honesty and the judge's fairness showed everyone that dishonesty will always be uncovered. In the end, truth and integrity are always rewarded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories with valuable lessons.